Hello YouTubers, we're going to the Speedybee car wash.
Now cameraman, Speedybee is a Belanger car wash, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Today we'll be reviewing a Belanger car wash. What kind of pay stations are these called?
The ones that has 2 lanes?
Yeah, are these automatic, or what do you call these pay stations?
I'm not sure what kind of pay station they got.
Well, we're gonna find out. So YouTubers, we're pulling up right now. All right.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an item by touching the option on the screen.
It talks to you.
If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now. Please pay with either credit card or cash. Would you like a receipt?
Do we want a
Please
receipt?
wait while your receipt is being
Sure.
submitted.
Okay, we're getting a receipt.
Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
There we go.
Please hold on.
Now I'm gonna have to get out and put the mirrors up so they don't get damaged. So here's the receipt. I'm coming around. Let me, can you do that one? The mirrors? Yeah. Thank you, I appreciate it. Okay. Here we go, YouTubers. Thank you.
So,
Okay,
they're waving you in.
He's pointing. Okay. Good. Good. He's spraying. One more question. On the back, I've got a wiper. Do you need to tape it down?
He taped it already.
Thank you. Okay. There we go. We won't play any songs. I chose the wash with the deluxe tire and wheels because they got wheel bosses, don't they?
I'm not sure if they got one.
Well, I chose the one that does tires and wheels too. So here we go. What is this called?
Free soak.
Okay, so this is the free soak, everyone. Soak. Okay, the first brushes have passed by. What are those called?
Wraparounds.
Wraparounds?
Yes.
Because it's the Belanger car wash.
Yes.
Okay, the second brushes have gone by. Okay, those are called bitters.
Yes.
We used to call them boom booms when you were little. I think this is the first car wash I ever took you to. I'm pretty sure this is the first one. You remember? Yeah, I used to love it. Okay, there's the wheel blast over here. Cameraman, look. Over here, you can see it shining. Wheel blaster. Wheel blaster. Okay, this is what, a rinse?
Yes, rain.
Oh, Rain-X, okay. Just needed a good little one. There's a spot free over there and tire shine. They're lighting up. That's good. Now what kind of dryers are these?
Belanger.
Belanger, how many?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dryers.
10 of them. We ought to be pretty dry. Tell me when our light turns to go. watching the review of the Speedybee car wash. There, I filmed it too. Okay, now I'm gonna put the mirrors back up.
Bye.